Salud. Alright, half a day and welcome to the Chamorro Challenge. This is lesson number 1 for the Chamorro Challenge, titled Hafatatat Manuhau. Hafatatat Manuhau is a simple everyday phrase that people use. It translates to how are you feeling or how are you doing. It's a common way that you greet people when you see them, even if you haven't seen them in a long time, just to ask them what's going on, how are you feeling. And so this is the first simple lesson for the Chamorro Challenge. And so the exercises, the exercises consist of a question which you will ask your child based on different moods, and then you will help your child understand what the words mean and also give them 2 sample responses that they can use to when they speak back to you. Alright? And so the grammar, the sentences that you will use for this project are very simple. The things you need to know are: number 1, ko, the word ko. Somebody sung in ko. Ko is a question marker. It's a question word. Whenever you see ko at the beginning of a sentence, it means it's a question. Okay? Number 2 is how. Somebody sung in how.
How?
How. How how?
You.
Again, you. How is a pronoun for you. So if you put ko blank how, ko blank how, it's a simple question which says how, are you blank? Are you blank? Ko blank how. And so the vocabulary for today are different states or moods which you can put in the blank space in order to ask your children how they are feeling. Okay? When they respond, they will have two basic sentences to respond with. The affirmative, hungan blank zu, or the negative, ahi ti blank zu. Hungan, of course, means yes. Ahi means no.
I say cheese.
Songin kesu.
Kesu.
Okay. And the zu is the pronoun songin zu.
Zu.
I ti tagwa now songin zu.
Zu.
Hungan. Zu is me or I. Okay, and the T.
I'm not biting.
The T is a marker which you put in front of any word to make it the opposite or negative. So for example, magof, or for example, maulik means songan maulik sumahi.
Maulik.
Okay, hava kumekilek niya maulik.
Good.
Hava kum songan ti maulik.
Ti maulik.
Hava kumekilek niya ti maulik.
Not good.
Hungan. So put T in front of anything to make it negative or the opposite. And so your children will respond hungan blank zu or ahi ti blank zu. Okay, this is the vocabulary list. Number 1, sumahi.
Huh?
Songan magof.
Mago.
Okay, hava kumekilek niya magof.
Happy.
Hungan. Okay, number 2, tristi. Songan tristi.
Tristy.
Setlo.
What?
Basta now.
What?
Songan tristi.
Tristy.
Hava kumekilek niya tristi.
Sad.
Okay. Setlo. Fatatsun.
Ow.
Okay. Sumay song in zadzas.
Dadas.
Hava kumekilek niya zadzas.
Matuhook.
Ahe. Matuhook ocho. Zadzas kumekilek niya tired.
Tired.
Song in tired.
Tired.
Okay. Song in matuhook.
Matuhook.
Okay. Hava kumekilek niya matuhook.
Sleepy.
Hungan. Okay. Sumay song in malongo.
Malongo.
Okay. Hava kumekilek niya malongo.
Sick.
Hungan.
Oh.
Sumay song in brabu. Pat braba.
Babu.
Song in brabu.
Babu.
Song in braba.
Raba.
Okay. Hava kumekilek niya brabu. Yes, the malafa. Healthy.
Healthy.
Healthy but strong. Ti malongo. Okay. Sumay song in Compton.
Compton. Compton.
Okay. Hava kumekilek niya Compton. Ti sinya kumetu.
Senior
Hungan. Restless. Song in restless.
Restless.
Okay. Setlo. Natsaleg lo tai set biao setlo. Okay, Sumay. So to practica este. We're gonna practice this, okay?
Okay.
Okay, Sumay. Half a day sumahi.
Half a day, Nanny.
Okay. Half a tatat manu hang sumahi. Ko magofao.
Hungan Magle 2.
Okay. Sumahi. Ko Tristi how?
Ahi ti Tristy Zoo.
Okay. Ko Zadzas how?
Ahi ti Zazazu.
Okay. Ko Matuhuk how?
Ti Matuhukzu.
Okay. Sumai ko Malongu how?
Ahi ti Malanguzu.
Okay. Ko Brabu how? Ko Braba how?
Ahi.
Ay, sangin hungan Braba zu sa Timalongu how? Sangin hungan Braba zu
Hungan Babazu.
sa Timalongu how? Okay. Ko Campton how? Ko Sinyo Kumetu how?
Hungan.
Tisinya.
Safa.
Sa atan how? Tagwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigwigw Hungen. Gof Campton House. Okay. Sejus Mase. Chalo. Ukeke onyo este.